saber que esse café seria o maior café do mundo.
It was spectacular.
Here we go. Fire away. This is the Mata Atlântica, the Atlantic forest of Brazil. It's one of the most complex environments for nature, for animals, for birds, for insects, for everything. And also the weather is like, wow, it's one of the best weather conditions in Brazil. It's nice and warm in the summer, and it's nice and cool in the winter.
How many coffee trees do you have here?
Around 450,000. But this is a new area, so now we have an extra 40,000 little kids to take care of. I'll show you what we're doing. Look at the trees. This is an agroforestry system. Agroforestry is when you use the forest in your favor. Coffee was not in my plans at all. I didn't plan this. It was not in my plans to be a coffee guy. Downtown Rio de Janeiro, sustentar every day. Very different from my lifestyle today. Well, I ran the family business. My family owned the department store business in Brazil, Casa Sloper. Sloper was one of the pioneers in introducing perfumes, fashion items, house items. Had to come in at a certain time, leave at a certain time. And my family was very strict on that. So I went from the lowest job possible all the way to CEO. Yes, I was a city boy, but always connected to nature because of my surfing travels. This guy was a tree collector. He loved trees. So they would share seedlings, seeds, like two kids sharing baseball cards. I think their main reason they came here was to plant trees.
30 anos. Tem 29 anos feito, já, né? Eu trabalho. Quando eu cheguei aqui não existia café na fazenda. É o café que muitos, né, poucos que mexem com isso. É mais difícil, mas não vai agrotóxico, não vai, né?
It was a challenge in the beginning. There was nobody who was doing organic coffee here at all in the state of Espírito Santo. We're the first guys. And always inspired by my grandfather. I learned from him. I was kind of more like his son than my father was. In that sense of coming here, I was always with him. Well, he stopped working here because he had an accident at home and was 96 years old, and he lost part of his movement. I was traveling. He was 24 hours without waking up. When I got to his house, I hold his hand, I hang to his hand. He died in my hands. I was looking at the photographs now. I get emotional. Yes, I feel his presence here. He's definitely here. Sorry. After the coffee grew, we had plants, we had fruit, and the tree plantation started to grow also. The Jacu bird came.
A gente no começo, pra gente era uma praga, né? Porque eles vinham e tá destruindo tudo, né? Destruindo os pés de café, quebrando os galhos. E o primeiro que veio na mente é pensar acabar com eles.
My guys called me on the phone, come over, come on, come here. So the birds are eating the coffee. I said, what are you talking about? I was scared, really scared, because it's not a small bird, huh? When it's hanging from the coffee tree, eating the coffee, wow, this is a huge problem. I go there, they're dying, you're really eating the coffee. You know, how are we gonna scare it away? Not obviously not kill it, but at the end of the day, the other thing happened. We started walking around, looking at the floor and finding this residue of birds all over the place. I saw it on the ground, I thought of Indonesia, I thought of surfing immediately. And I also tasted the coffee there. In terms of appearance, the residue is very similar from the coffee look. They both look the same.
Aí quando falou pra gente catar, né? Aí nós achamos assim, falamos, meu Deus, que porco, vai ser porco catar cocô de jacu. Pega isso com a mão, o que esse homem tá inventando? A gente pensou assim, né?
Mr. Sloper, sorry, we're not gonna pick shit for you. Oh yeah? Okay. Well, let's talk about this. So, yeah, if you give us a reward. Okay. After the reward came, it started working.
O Jacu, ele é um bom colhedor, tá? Um bom colhedor de café, porque ele só pega o melhor, né? E muitas vezes a gente, né, pega um pé de fruta aí, colhe tudo, né? Esse é o verdadeiro tesouro da floresta. Parece um cocô, mas é um cocô. Mas vale ouro. É o ouro da floresta.
Tem menos cocô. Tem menos. Onde a gente tá? A gente tá dentro de uma estufa onde a gente seca o café. Esse daqui é café. Este daqui é café. Este daqui é café, mas com sementes de ameixa, desculpa, aqui na mão, tá? Esse aqui são sementes de ameixa, misturado com o café. Por isso que o café do Jacu, ele tem uma característica de café frutado. Então, em torno de 20 dias, o café já está pronto para a gente guardar dentro de uma câmara fria, para esse café ficar conservado lá. Aqui a gente vai entrar na câmara fria. Câmara fria o que é? Essa câmara está menos 17, 20 graus, 25 graus. O que a gente vai fazer com esse café? Colocamos ele aqui para ele descansar. Esse café não vai congelar. Para matar possíveis bactérias ou fungos que tenha no café. Alguém me pediu café. Eu venho aqui, pego a quantidade deste café aqui.
Problem solving. That's my business. They just missed a contract with the Swiss, and you can't do that with the Swiss. The specialty coffee needs tasting, talking, shaking hands, old style.
Who's buying Jacu coffees?
UK, Japan, the Arabs, Saudi Arabia, a little bit in Australia, Paris. Paris is a good market also. We are in Paris, so that's going really well. Be here in a place like this and having our product displayed is a pleasure and a honor. This is not really a hotel, this is a landmark.
Bonjour. We have a specific concept all around the beverage. The beverages. You choose what you want to drink, and from that we create a bespoke menu. And after we tried together, and I was speechless, because we have the combination between the story and the taste, which is the most important, because you can have a big story, great knowledge, but if it's not good, it's not good. It was spectacular. Smoked lobster on barbecue, what a spectacular pairing, because the flavors of barbecue make a perfect link with this coffee, and the combination is absolutely spectacular. And I bring oxygen to enhance the flavors like in a wine. The Jacu bird is born.
Also es schmeckt wirklich gar nicht nach Kaffee. Ich habe echt was anderes erwartet. Es schmeckt aus diesem Glas wirklich eher wie so ein Fruchtsaft, der ein bisschen warm ist. Aber Kaffee kenne ich eigentlich ganz anders. Aber interessant.
The bird became a partner. They're not afraid of human beings anymore. What really matters for me is being able to show people that you can do proper agriculture using nature in your favor, not against it. It's not only about the financial rewards, on the contrary. Financial rewards is a consequence of what we do. So the whole thing is a mission in life, and I found mine, so I'm a very lucky guy.